I'm getting ready to go downtown and do makeup on a client. So I thought we'd do a get ready with me for this episode of Gin Miss. This is Scott Barnes Multimedia Foundation. Oh dear. Let me find. It's a little bit complicated how you get it out of the bottle. You have to get it out with a dipper. I evidently got too much. I bought this online way back and I had no idea what color to order. And this is the color I got. It's pigment suspended in oils. I don't know what the oils are. You know how he is about glowy. But I was getting exasperated with the setup for this for this video. So I thought I'll just cut the camera on and begin. So let's do that. Here's what the makeup looks like. See, it's suspended in oil. And I used a Starbucks dipper to dip it out. You can shake it a little bit if you want it to be thinner, or you can let it settle and then just pull it through the pigment through the oil to get a more pigmented, a more opaque finish. And I didn't use any moisturizer or anything underneath this. It's got oils in it. I'm just covering up that dark spot over there on that corner. See, it's pretty glowy. And is pretty opaque. I did wash my face last night and this morning, but I seem to still have eye makeup residue. All right, I'm trying to remember what oh yeah, I wanted to use the Enchanted Secrets palette from Hallberg, her old one, because she came out with a new one. I'm gonna take this this is I think I have a Laura Mercier. Okay, I'm gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury pencil. It's the color Chameleon, and I think it's Amethyst Aphrodisiac. And I'm going to put that on my lid, and I'm going to buff it out. Okay, I'm gonna do it with my finger, because I think you have to work back. Oh, it's set up fast. I hope this isn't a mistake, since I'm going somewhere. I want it to just work, you know what I mean? Let's see if I can find a clean brush. All right, it's okay. It's a bowl of water. It's Kirkland's grapefruit. Oh, I didn't use an eye primer, did I? Well, that's okay. It may have gone on smoother with an eye primer, or moved better. You would think it would move better on naked lids. And like I said before, I hope this isn't a mistake since I have to go somewhere. I guess she doesn't mean for these to move much. Or maybe this pencil is a little dry now. I don't know how long I've had this pencil. At least a year, probably. Okay, there was poor planning on my part. I didn't bring the camera in yesterday and plug it in to charge. You missed out on this look. It's featuring the Linda Hallberg Enchanted Secrets palette. I can't open it because I accidentally dropped it and the pigments hit the floor, and I used a spatula to put it back in there. If you would like to see this look in detail in another video, comment here. I'm going to work on my hair now. I'm going to section off the front, and I'm going to take long sections like this and wrap it backwards. You can see that I'm not laying the hair flat on the curling iron. Catch it, let it cool, And that's what you get. And now I'm going to the next section. And I'm taking long sections. Long, thin sections. And I'm wrapping it not flat on the curling iron. I'm letting the hair twist. Let it slide off. See, it gives you more of a wave instead of a curl. This isn't out of trying to get it done quick. This is out of trying to create a look. So I have on, like I said, the Multimedia Scott Barnes foundation with nothing, no primer or moisturizer underneath. I used an eyeshadow for the deepest contour. And then I used Ritual over that. Oh well. I used the Rose Fresque again as my blush. The Lancome sample that I got, or yeah, in my consolation prize. I have on some Gypsy Lashes. My lips are Beige Nude or Nude Beige from NYX. It's a lip liner. And then I used this lipstick, and the color is Feeling Sedimental from MAC. I guess it was a limited edition. Here's what that one turned out like. See, it's a wave, not a curl. And then I used a Too Faced lip gloss in the center of the bottom lip. No, I don't have my contacts in yet. And it is Sunset Crush. And you saw that the eyeshadow base or primer, I used the Charlotte Tilbury color Chameleon in, what was it, Amethyst Aphrodisiac. You can see on this side better what I'm doing. And let's see, what else can I tell you about this look? Of course, the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind underneath my eyes. And I used the Fit Me powder to clean up my contour and highlight my jaw. Let's see if I can tell you which eyeshadow I used for the deepest part of the contour. I used Concrete. And I use Folie along the top edge here over the Aphrodisiac. And my eyebrows are probably Mulch. Woodwinked. My eyebrows are Woodwinked. Yes, I pulled out a MAC palette. My highlight on my brow bone is Skinny Dip. Oh, my winged liner is the Smashbox Always On liner pen. My Tightline is the black pencil by Tom Ford in Onyx. My waterline is 8E from Makeup Forever. The corners are highbrow. Here, I'll show you this palette. I'll try not to let it dump out. Okay. I put that one over the Aphrodisiac. I put this pink one on the inside corner of my eye. I put the highbrow on the tear duct and then put this iridescent green over that. And I didn't use the orange at all. And what inspired me to use that palette is because she came out with another Enchanted palette. Okay, I think I got, okay, now I'm going to show you what I do with the front. So I take this whole section. Not that y'all care, but anyway, this is what you're getting. Okay, and I over direct and wrap it. And do the other side. Then I'm going to take this piece that I missed. Alright, I'm going to take this firm hold let it dry. Comb through real good with my fingers. And this here in the back, I don't want it to lay flat. This is almost gone. That's how much I love this. I don't have trouble using up hair products. I go through it. Okay. And then so that the bangs will stick together a little bit, I'm going to use, that was Do-Over, and this one's Bedroom Hair. There you go. And I used the the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter, Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this. Get ready with me. I'm sorry my camera died. I'm sorry that I don't have my act together enough. I don't think I feel well. See, that ear's red and the ear's not. I know, I did it to myself again. I know, I should grow up. It's because my good earrings went down the drain. Alright, thanks again for watching. Come back again tomorrow for another look. Ta-ta!